बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ DIY craft videos, signing in. And I am going to share with you all a beautiful, incredible and stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very unique and very beautiful seashell decoration ideas. So viewers, these are very beautiful and very amazing seashell craft ideas, the most beautiful and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. If you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive, and you make these craft work at your home very easily. If you don't know about how to make these type of craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very stunning and very pretty ideas for you guys. You must try these ideas and decorate your home with these beautiful seashell craft work. So guys, take care of yourself, always be happy, keep supporting my channel, Keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing seashell craft work for you guys. So you must try at your homes and keep me in your prayers. And if you want different kind of videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon. So guys, take care, always be happy and think positive. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys, so you must try these craft work at your home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.